Hello, good morning everyone, students and respected parents. Myself Monali Oza, and today we are going to learn the chapter number 1, that is numbers 1 to 100 revision. Here we can see there is the one picture and we have to give the answer. There is the one picture of zoo. So I am solving your questions. The first one is, how many baby animals, I mean cubs, do you see? इसमें से कितने लायन के बच्चे दिख रहे हैं? तो हम काउंट करेंगे 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 baby lions. So here is the answer 4. Now second one, how many lions do you see? अब lions की बात हो रही है, तो lions यहाँ पर कितने दिख रहे हैं? तो lions यहाँ पर है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 lions. And the third question is, how many lions are there in all in the picture? पूरे पिक्चर में कितने lions दी गए हैं? तो हमें सबको काउंट करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 10 lions. So here is the answer 10. Now let's see the box. इसमें एक लायन है और इसमें भी एक लायन, मतलब लायन का छोटा बच्चा, that we called cub. तो इसमें आंसर आएगा here 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now we move forward. First digit numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, known as Hindu Arabic numerals. The largest one number is 9. तो यहाँ पर एडिशन दिया गया है 9 plus 1 equals to 10. This is the smallest 2 digit number. Smallest 2 digit number है ये. Okay? Now we move forward. The largest 2 digit number is 99. And how? Addition 1. 99 plus 1 equals to 100. So this is the smallest 3 digit number. Now fill in the missing numbers on each block. तो इसमें मिसिंग नंबर्स आपको लिखने हैं. 1 to 100 तो सबको आते ही होंगे. So we have to write the missing numbers. So what will come here? Missing numbers. 12 after 13, here 14, 15 is already given, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. And here is the another box. What will come here? 80, 81, 82, 83 is given, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Clear everyone? So this is the missing number. So you have to practice the numbers if you all have forgotten. Now here is the next question. Write the number names of the given numbers. Number names means I will show you. The first one given is 53. So you have to write in spelling 53. Just like this. Here is the 53. So what is the spelling of 53? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. T-H-R-E-E. 53. Next one is 46. So how we write 46? F-O-U-R-T-Y. 46. So you all have to write this type of answers. This is called the number names. Now we will move forward. The next question is write the numerals of the following number names. Here is the number name given. You have to write in a digit form. So first one is 14. I'll show you. So we have to write in digit like here 14. Next one is 29. So 29 in a digit form. So in this way you all have to fill up exercises. Now we are moving forward in before, after and in between. This is also very easy. Before, after and between. Before means pehle, after means बाद में, and in between means बीच में. So we have to see how the number is given and how we have to answer. Okay? So let's start the learn. First one given here, write the number that comes just before. यहाँ पर ये जो leave है पूरी, वहाँ पर before number लिखना है, and write the number that comes just after. So here we have to write the after numbers. So we start. Here we have to write before number. So what will come before 11? The answer is 10. Here it will come 10. Here the next one is 40. What will come before 40? 39. So here come 39. Next is 62. So before number is 61. This is the way you all have to give the answer. Now we will move to after number. After number means I have told बाद में. Before number means पहले, after number means उसके बाद, between means बीच में. So here is the after number. What will come after in 19? 20. What will come after 37? 38. What will come after 60? 61. What will come after 53? 54. So this is the way you have to give the answer. Now we will move on between numbers. What comes in between? Here is written what comes in between. So you can see there are different types of aeroplanes are given, and we have to write in the answer in this box. So first one is 10-12. What will come here? 11. Here come 11. Next is 19-21. We will fill up in the box which number? 20. Here 42-44. The number here come is 43. This is the way you have to complete whole exercise. What I have taught. So clear everyone? Hope you all understand. Thank you.